Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create or add mega menu in Elementor free version in WordPress, and we are not using Elementor Pro plugin. So this adder we created by using free plugin in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this adder created by plugin. So you can find both video links in video description. How to create Elementor header and footer in Elementor free version. So you can use this plugin Jag Elementor Kit, or you can use this plugin Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor header and footer builder. So by using any of these plugin, you can create Elementor header and Elementor footer in Elementor free version plugin in WordPress, and you will find both video links in video description. So we already created Elementor header and footer using this plugin, and you will find that video link in video description. So by using this plugin, we already created Elementor header and footer in Elementor. So now we are going to create mega menu. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write premium add-ons for Elementor. So this is plugin premium add-ons for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So by using this plugin, we are going to create mega menu, and in Elementor header we are going to use mega menu widget from this plugin. So first we are going to create mega menu. On left side you see appearance and then you see menu, so click on it. So this is our menu and this is our Elementor header. Now back to menu. So when we hover on it and then you see option premium menu. Now you see shop. Also you see premium menu. So click on it. So we click on premium menu and then you see pop up premium mega menu setting. So you can enable mega menu. So click on it and then you see create edit mega menu content. So first we are going to create it and then you see edit mega content. So click on it. Again you see pop up and then you see loading and then you see we are in premium add-on template and then you see drag widget here. So we are in shop and then you see plus icon. So click on it and then select flex box. So click on it and then you see structure. So you can create layout according to requirement. So we select 4 column layout. So click on it. Now you see structure added. So we are going to add content in our 4 column. So you can add any widget. Now click on plus icon and then you see container basic. So first we are going to add image in mega menu for shop. Now choose image. Now select any image and then click on select and then you can do setting according to requirement. So in first column we added image. Now go to second column, again click on plus icon. So you can add text. So you can add any widget or element in mega menu according to requirement. Now text editor. Now you can update it. In third column, again click on it. So you can add any widget. Now product. Now you see multiple category. So you can add according to requirement. So we added product grid. So you can add any widget. Now you see edit container. If you want to add some background color, so click on it. And then you see layout style. So click on style. And then you see background type. So click on it. So you can add background color according to requirement. Now you see. So it's up to you. So we set background color and then click on publish first. Now publish done. Now close. If you want to edit mega menu, so again click on this option. So you can add any widget and then you see menu content position default. Now you see full width. If you want, you can add menu content width in pixel. If you want, you can select full width content. So we enable this option and then you see icon type. Now select, if you want you can select animation. Now select icon and then you can add icon. Now we select arrow and then you see icon color. So you can select according to requirement icon color. Now white and then you see badge text. If you want you can add. So we add mega and then you see badge color, badge background, badge color make it white, badge background you can make it any color scheme. Now you see and then click on save setting. Now you see setting saved and then click on close. So we added mega menu in shop and then click on save menu. Now menu saved. So this is our Elementor header. Now go to Elementor header template. So first delete this menu. Now right click on it and then click on delete. And then we are going to add mega menu widget. In search widget, right add mega menu. And then you see mega menu widget PA. PA mean premium add-ons for Elementor. So drag and drop here. And then you see menu setting, menu type, WordPress menu. And then you see menu. Now select your menu. Now you see menu added. And then you can set color scheme and styling for this widget according to requirement. Now you see shop, mega. And then you see display option. So click on it. Now you see layout horizontal, right, item hour effect. So you can set according to requirement. And then you see sub menu setting. Now you see mobile menu setting, layout expand or slide. So you can select according to requirement. And then you can set breakpoint, tablet, mobile, custom setting. So you can do according to requirement. And then you see expand, slide menu setting. For mobile menu setting, now you see layout. Now click on it. If you want, you can add text for mobile layout. So we remove it. We don't want to show menu text on mobile with icon. So you can set icon, close icon. If you want, you can close, remove this text. So we only want to show icon and close icon. We don't want to show text on mobile menu. And then you see toggle button position, right, menu position, menu alignment, toggle menu width, full width. So you can do setting according to requirement. And then you see random badges. Now go to style. So in style you see desktop menu style, height, box shadow, box type. And then you see menu item style. So click on it. And then you see typography, different option, color, drop down icon color. Now make it white. Now you see color. Now make it white. Font. Now you see hover. So you can set according to requirement. Now you see. Also you can set drop down icon color. Also you see active. So you can set color scheme for menu item style according to requirement. And then you see menu item icon badge. So click on it. And then you see position, right, left. Now you see icon in menu. So we add this icon using mega menu in our main menu by using premium menu button. So when we click on it, so we select icon this. If you want, you can remove it, or if you want, you can make it 0 size. Now you see remove. So it's up to you. So you can do setting according to requirement. And then you see sub menu style. So you can set minimum width for simple panel, mega panel. And then you see background type, border type, padding, margin. And then you see sub menu item style. So click on it. So you can set color scheme for sub menu according to requirement. So you can set normal, hover, active. So you can do setting according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So we use mega menu from premium add-ons for Elementor widget. Now you see, and this is badge you see. So when we hover on shop, now you see mega menu, image, text. So when we hover on about, you don't see mega menu. On shop we added mega menu. So you can add mega menu on any menu according to requirement by using premium menu button. So when we hover on it, then you see these options. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now go to mobile layout, mobile simulator, activate the mobile view on this page. So our mobile layout open and then you see menu icon. So click on it. Now you see expand. Go to Elementor header again. So in edit mega menu in display option, we select layout expand. Now select slide. Now you see layout slide we select. Now go to style again. And then you see expand slide menu style, close button style. So click on it. You see icon. Now make it white. Background color, if you want, you can set. Now you see text. Expand slide menu style. So click on it. And then you see color. Toggle button. Color. And then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to mobile layout again and refresh the page. Now mobile menu open. And then click on it. Now you see slide. So we use font white. So we are going to change background color for mobile menu. Back to Elementor header again. So we are in expand slide menu style. So we are going to add background color for mobile slide. And then you see toggle menu. And then you see background type, select classic. And then you see color. So you can set color scheme according to requirement. So we set this. And then click on publish. So this is background color for mobile layout. So we set slide. Now publish done. Go to mobile menu and refresh the page. So we are in mobile layout again. Now expand menu, so click on it. Now you see slide and we set background color and then you see shop mega. So click on it. So this is our mega menu. Now you see. Now close. So in this way you can add mega menu in Elementor free version plugin in WordPress, and we use Elementor adder by using Jag Elementor kit, or you can use this plugin, and you'll find both video link in video description. So you can create Elementor adder and Elementor footer in Elementor free version plugin, and then you can install premium add-ons for Elementor plugin. So you can add mega menu in Elementor WordPress. Now go to website. So this is a mega menu. Now you see. So you can add any widget or element. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.